Hello and welcome to Club Caddie. Today we are going to guide you through the process of logging into Club Caddie for the first time. We'll cover some essential features like forgot password, the chat link, and knowledge base link. Once logged in, we'll explain the importance of selecting the correct terminal and clocking in and out using your unique PIN. After launching the Club Caddie application, you will be directed to the login screen here. You want to first ensure that you select the correct environment for your facility. If you do not know this information, please reach out to your manager or your admin at your facility. Next, you will enter your unique username and password. If for any reason you have forgotten your password, go ahead and use the forgot password, and an email will be sent to the email associated to your profile within the software. Again, if you do not know this information, please reach out to your manager or your admin at your facility, and they will be able to provide that to you. Once you enter your credentials, you'll go ahead and hit the login button here. Once you are successfully logged in, you should see a screen similar to this. My access is right now under Super Admin, so I can see everything. Yours will most likely look a little bit different. We've recently launched the ability to have multiple roles. So if you are somebody that maybe is in the food and beverage department and works in the golf shop, you can toggle or choose between these various roles. What this is going to do is ensure that you have access to the correct permissions, menus, items that you are likely to use. I'm going to go ahead and choose the food and beverage, and you'll see these options have changed. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and select your terminal. If you are someone who is going to take payment or process payments, you want to ensure that the payment device you are utilizing, let's say a Clover Flex, for example, is going to be tied to the correct terminal. This is very important to ensure that your reporting is done and your payment processing is done correctly. So just ensure that you are logging into the correct terminal if you're going to go ahead and take payments. If for some reason you're just logging in, don't take payments, you can go ahead and select any terminal you would like. So here you'll see F&B, you have these various stations where if I were to select here, you'll see we just have the register, T-sheet, and activities because I signed up under my Pro Shop role. Various roles give different permissions, and that may give you more or less access into the software. Things like settings tend to be more admin. So just understand that your role type is going to define how much of the software that you have access to. Next, you're going to notice here that my name is on the profile. If you click on that, you can go ahead and update your profile information and manage your password from here. And you can color code your tabs here. So if you're somebody that likes to color code, you can select any of these. Pick the particular color that you would like to display your tabs. Next, you are going to see that you have the time clock here. This is simply how you clock in and out with your unique PIN. It is a 4-digit PIN. So here you'll see I'm going to enter my PIN, and pending if I am working as a food and beverage or pro shop, I can go ahead and clock in at this time. And then again, you would do the same process to clock out. Next, I did want to take a little bit of time to explain these various links. You'll notice the chat link at the bottom right corner here, and this link allows you to chat with our support team for any help or questions you might have. Next to the chat link, you'll see the knowledge base link. The knowledge base is a valuable resource filled with articles and guides and facts to help you make the most out of Club Caddie. So make sure to explore those resources whenever you need assistance or need to learn how to do something within the software. There is a ton of information out there. Next, you do have a V with a series of numbers. That is actually the version of our software that you are currently on. You do want to be sure that you're on the latest version of our software for the latest new features. To find out if you're on the latest version of the Club Caddie software, you can head to our main page and hit the download section here. Here you'll see the latest release of our latest version, or you can always go to our changelog page as well. And this will also tell you the version and what is in our most recent version for your information. And there is how you log in. To log out, simply hit this red button. Are you sure you want to log out? You hit yes, and then you're done.
That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more insights and guides on making the most of your Club Caddie software. Thanks for watching.